Hello viewers, welcome again to my kitchen. Today is another simple ingredients with only like 3 or 4 ingredients, and I'm going to make a easy and quick samosa sauce. So stay tuned with me. And I have some sugar according to your taste. This is brown sugar, cane sugar actually. And this is chili paste like Sambal Oelek. I'll show you the bottle. I'll come back to you and I'll show you the bottle. And this is plum sauce of 2 cups. And just to go back to the chili paste, the chili paste is without garlic and it's 2 teaspoons. If you like it spicier, you can add more. If you don't like spicier, you can add less. I'll be back. Hello viewers, this is the bottle of the Sambal Oelek, which is the Coke brand. It's called Sambal Oelek. There's 2 kinds, one with garlic and one without garlic, and today I'm using the one without garlic. Usually I don't really like the taste of garlic in my samosa sauce, so I'm using the one without garlic. Thank you. So with the ingredients as well, I missed out, which is the water, and we were going to start off with that. So I'm going to add the chili paste into the plum sauce. And I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm starting off with a slow speed. As you will see mixing it up well. The chili paste is already blended with the plum sauce. Now I'm going to add some sugar. Sugar is according to your taste. Sweet or less sweet is up to you. Whereby I have a sweet tooth, so I'm going to add like 4 teaspoons of sugar and mix it up slowly. So we beat this up until the sugar is melted and dissolved and the samosa sauce is ready. Hello viewers, and this is your samosa sauce. I thought I'll be using the water, but I really did not need the water, so it's an optional if you really want the sauce to be runny. And because sugar, when it melts, it oozes out, it becomes liquid as well. So here you go, a quick and simple easy samosa sauce. Thank you and happy trying, and I will meet you in my next video on how to make the samosa fillings. This is my own version and I will share with you. Thank you for now. Leave your comments below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please press the bell button on all so that when we post a video you will get the notification. Thank you and happy trying, and let me know in your comments below. Thank you. Bye.